Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes worth of time. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that over the past day or so, Ripple has made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was at these low points, and then you consider where it is right now, and I just say that where that is right now because the markets are open 24/7. So I can't say the price closed there, but that's currently where it is. Point here being that any rational person is going to say, yeah, Ripple has definitely made a very nice bounce. Now, this leads to the valid question, therefore, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around the level down here, which is support, and I don't quite know the value yet. What is that? 78 cents. Why is 78? Why is 78 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 78 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back. So over the weekend, pulls back and then does something like this and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set right there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining, quote unquote, make progress as 78 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, the main level of resistance, let's get that changed to red for resistance. Oh, I almost put it right where it needed to be. But right up here, give or take around the 96 cent mark, you can see several occasions over the past, the price has been up around this area. You go back here through the history of the chart, knocked down the price there, knocked it down. So you get the idea. But really, in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is over the weekend going through healthy consolidation and beginning to build higher bases, because as long as higher bases start to be built, then that's how this overall bounce can pick up that much more steam and maybe even potentially turn into a reversal. But one step at a time, and that first step is staying up above 78 cents. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.